Let's review how to change the default save location for your CNC programs in Lantek. To begin, navigate to the configuration settings by clicking the blue link located under the Machine section. Next, go to the System tab at the top of the window. From there, scroll down to the Part Number and CNC section. Within this section, under CNC Name, you'll find options to customize how Lantek names your CNC jobs. Directly beneath that is the CNC folder setting. To change the save location, click the three dots on the right-hand side. This will open a dialog where you can browse for and select a new folder path for saving your CNC files. Once you've made your changes, be sure to click OK and then click OK again to confirm. Going forward, your CNC programs will be saved to the newly selected location.